Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. In this video, we'll break things down in a simple and easy way so anyone can follow along. Let's get started. Ask 10 people what Italian spaghetti means and you'll get 10 answers. Some picture a big bowl with meatballs, others think of a quick garlic and oil dinner, and a few swear it's all about the pasta brand. In Italy, spaghetti is both a pasta shape and a style of eating that prizes timing, balance, and good ingredients. Most of the time, Italian spaghetti doesn't mean fancy recipes. It means simple, high-quality ingredients, pasta cooked the right way, and a sauce that matches the noodle instead of burying it. The good news is you can do that tonight, even on a weeknight. This guide walks you through the method, not strict rules, plus the mistakes that make spaghetti taste flat, gummy, or oily. What makes spaghetti Italian? It's more about method than rules. Italian cooking is often strict in spirit and relaxed in practice. The spirit is this. Start with a few good ingredients, don't overdo it, and pay attention at the stove. Spaghetti becomes Italian when the pasta, sauce, and timing meet in the middle. Spaghetti is usually dried pasta, not fresh. Fresh pasta shines with egg-rich doughs and wider shapes, while dried spaghetti, made from durum wheat and water, is built for bite. If you want an easy upgrade, look for pasta made from high-protein durum wheat and, if possible, bronze-cut spaghetti. Bronze dyes leave a slightly rough surface, which helps sauce cling instead of sliding off like rain on glass. Then there's al dente. People treat it like a secret code, but it's simple. The pasta should be tender, with a small, pleasant firmness at the center. Not crunchy, not mushy. That last bit of bite matters because spaghetti keeps cooking after you drain it, and it cooks again when you toss it with sauce. Spaghetti basics, shape, texture, and how Italians think about sauce. Spaghetti is a long, round noodle that likes smooth, well-emulsified sauces. It's not meant to sit under a heavy puddle. The goal is coated strands, glossy and seasoned, where each forkful tastes finished. Two close cousins show up in Italian kitchens. Spaghettoni, thicker spaghetti, great for bold sauces. Spaghetti alla chitarra, square-cut strands, often used with meat ragu. Whichever you choose, the Italian habit that changes everything is this. Finish the pasta in the sauce. That short toss in the pan is where flavor locks in. The core Italian pantry for spaghetti night. You don't need a packed pantry. You need the right basics, and a few smart buying cues. Extra virgin olive oil adds fruitiness and body, especially in oil-based sauces. Garlic is a flavor backbone, but it burns fast, so keep the heat gentle. Canned whole tomatoes or passata. Whole tomatoes let you control texture, passata is smooth and quick. That wraps up part 1. We've covered the basics, and there's more important information coming next. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.